Hey guys, Tech Flash here. Thank you for tuning into the video. Today I have for you another exciting first look into a Samsung phone, and we are talking about the Galaxy A22 smartphone. And you may be wondering to yourself as to why this phone is being given so much importance and why there are so many rumors about it. Design wise, this is a pretty good looking phone. It has a very premium feel to it as well, and I was really amazed when I held it for the first time because the side frames and the back of this phone are actually made up from plastic. Yet it really doesn't feel like it in any way. The A22 comes in a few colors like the violet, white, and gray, and it also has a fingerprint sensor which is mounted along the power button on the right side of the phone. The SIM tray is located on the left side, which gives us the option of supporting 2 SIMs, and also a MicroSD slot which gives us the option to expand the internal storage by 1 terabyte. The A22 comes with a 6.6 Infinity U 720p Super AMOLED display which supports a high refresh rate of 90 Hz, designed for smoother scrolling, which is very nice to see on a phone under this price range. If you want to save some battery, you do have the option of turning this off, which will take you back to a normal refresh rate of 60 Hz. But this phone is paired with a 5000 mAh battery, which should ensure long time smooth scrolling. The A22 comes with a 15-watt charger powered through a USB-C port which supports fast charging. You can also see the speaker grill here on the bottom alongside a headphone jack. Now talking about the camera, which may as well be the standout feature of this phone, the A22 has a quad camera setup with the main camera having a 48 megapixel sensor, but that's not all. The 48 megapixel camera comes with optical image stabilization. That's right, this phone has a 48 megapixel camera which supports OIS, and this is exactly why the A22 shines, because we're not really used to seeing features like optical image stabilization in budget-friendly phones. We also have an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 123-degree field of view, and 2 more cameras which both have 2 megapixels each, one which is a depth camera and the other one which is a macro camera. Furthermore, the camera in the front, which is implemented into a teardrop-shaped notch, has a 13 megapixel sensor to it. Now talking about the price and final conclusion of this phone, Samsung built this phone keeping in mind that normally there aren't any devices that are cheap but have great features at the same time. There's always a give or take somewhere where a feature needs to be sacrificed to keep the cost low. So reasonably pricing the A22 was a priority, making sure that a wider audience can get their hands on Samsung's latest innovative and budget-friendly products, while also making sure that Samsung added another product to its 5G portfolio. This is obviously a very smart move from Samsung, and this will be the main reason why this phone will appeal to a lot of people, especially to those who want to have the latest tech while making sure that they don't have to dig too deep into their pockets. The price is something that I cannot confirm right now, but we are looking at something below the $300 range. Looking into the specs, the A22 comes in a couple of variants when it comes to RAM and internal storage. Depending on where you are located, there will be options of a 64 gig variant which only comes with 4 gigs of RAM, and some places may only see the 128 gig variant which has the option of a 4, 6, and 8 gigs of RAM. The phone is also paired with an octa-core processor powered by the Helio G80 chip, and the 5G version has the MediaTek's Dynasty 700 chip running on Android 11. Anyways guys, that will be all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please drop a like and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to share and comment any questions, or let me know what your favorite feature of this A22 has been so far. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.